This is the City of Royal Oak versus Isaiah Thomas Bonner. Your appearance, please. I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself, sir.
Brittany Castle on behalf of Mr. Bonner, who is present. Mr. Bonner, can you state your name for the record, please?
Isaiah Thomas Bonner.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Judge, we're here today for arraignment. He has appeared timely for his arraignment. We have discussed his charge as well as his rights. We would waive formal reading, stand mute, ask that the court enter not guilty plea on his behalf, and continue to appoint a counsel, please.
One moment, please. Okay, and I'd like to acknowledge Miss Veronica Bonner. I know, are you just observing? Do you want to state your name for the record so that we know you're
here,
ma'am?
Yes, I'm his mother. I'm Veronica Bonner.
Okay, thank you for appearing and for caring. It's makes a great impression upon the court. And you know what also makes a great impression upon the court, Mr. Bonner? Your attire, your appearance, I can get through the Zoom, even though you're not here, that you're taking this very seriously. You're standing. I should make a video on what a model defendant you are today. There are a lot of defendants who appear, don't dress like you, and don't conduct themselves like this. So I commend you for that. And it makes an impression on the court.
Thank you very much.
More than you know. More than you know. So I want you to know how important it is. I appreciate the respect that you are showing the tribunal. And I try to show respect to my litigants, but I really appreciate it. And it's duly noted by the court. All right. So for purposes of the arraignment, we've greeted the mother. We waive the formal reading. Defendant stands mute. A not guilty plea shall enter on his behalf. His request for assigned counsel is granted. Mr. Bonner, counsel will be assigned for you to represent your interests from today going forward. What do you have to say about bond and bond conditions, counsel?
Your Honor, as to bond, my client has appeared today timely for his matter. He's 22 years old. He has great support here from his mother. He's living with his mother at the address that the court should have in Ironstone. The court should have a good contact number as well for him. He's indicated to me that he is in school, and he also is working 2 jobs.
Where does he go to school?
He's at U of D Mercy.
Oh, great.
And yes, it's great.
Oh, Titans.
He's pre-med at U of D Mercy, which is excellent. And he's working hard this summer, 2 jobs. He's working at 2 different restaurants, one in Flat Rock and then one in Troy. He's a line cook at both restaurants. So he's very busy. I did indicate to him, based on this charge here and this allegation, the court would likely be imposing no drug and alcohol and testing conditions. So he is aware that he's going to be testing and is going to work around his schedule to make, obviously, that happen. That's going to be his priority. That being said, he appears before the court with no criminal history. I agree with the court, and we did discuss he's dressed so appropriately this morning. He's been so respectful. He's an appropriate candidate for a personal bond. I would ask that the court please grant that to him today.
Okay, the court is granting a $7,000 personal bond. No money is due, sir. It's a personal bond, which means you're on pretrial release without posting any money. We just put a dollar amount to the bond. Okay. With the following conditions, sir, you have to personally appear for any exam, any and all court events, further arraignments, trial, or sentencing. There should be no further arraignments. I don't know why it says this, because if there's another arraignment, you're in trouble. So no, any and all pretrial conferences, anything set by the court that has this case number on it and your name on it, you have to appear. Abide by any judgment entered in this case, surrender to serve any sentence imposed. Do not commit any crime while released. Immediately notify the court in writing if your address changes from Ironstone. And so if that changes, you get a new phone, okay, or a new address, you have to notify us in writing where you are and how we can reach you. You're not to use alcohol, marijuana, or other illegal controlled substance. You shall alcohol ETG test through pretrial services 2 times per month. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you have to contact pretrial services by August 27, 2025 at 3:00 p.m. to set up testing. Okay? I'm going to give you a phone number. Are you able to write that down? Or mom, are you able to write that down? Mr. Bonner, are you okay if your mom takes down the phone number? It's
Yes.
standing.
Yep.
I don't see the
Yeah.
ability to write. Okay, so I'm gonna give it, Mom, are you okay with that? 1-6. Okay, now, you seem to be a very organized young man. If you call today, Mr. Bonner, they will not know who you are. It takes one full business day for, our court to process it and get it over to pretrial services. So the earliest you're able to call where they're gonna know your file and know that you're calling about will be like late Monday afternoon. That's why I give you until Wednesday, August 27th. That's not Wednesday. I have the wrong date. Wednesday, August 20th. August 20th. Let me rephrase. It takes 3 days. I was looking the wrong date. August 20th at 3 o'clock to set up the testing. You have to call pretrial services at 248-451-2316 by 3 p.m. to set up the testing. We'll set this matter for a pretrial. You have Judge K. Okay. So you're going to get a notice to appear sent to your house. You're going to see the trial judge from here on out. It's Judge K. And you will have assigned counsel representing your interests. So you have to follow the bond conditions, but the next most important step is to contact pretrial services by August 20th, 2025 at 3 p.m. to set up your testing. And the next court event will be a pretrial, and you'll have Judge K, and you're going to have a different Zoom ID than you used today. So look at your notice and log on to the right number. Ms. Costello, is there anything further requested or required from the court on behalf of Mr. Bonner and his arraignment?
No, Your Honor. Thank you. We're all set.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Bonner. Don't let this derail your whole life. From everything I've heard on this record, you have a very bright future. So stay the course, handle business. Let this be a one and done. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Take care. I wish you both. And Ms. Bonner, thank you for appearing today.
Thank you.
All right. Take care. Be well. Ms.
Thank-
Costello, I don't have anyone else ready for you. So
Okay.
you can just hang tight.